be reading the Bible page after page. His heart was convinced to spare the race. He knelt by his desk, then lay on the floor. Though I don't understand what it's for, I'll trust one day more. I'll pray again, I will again. I'll knock on the door, asking for more. Strength for the fight, peace in the night. Trusting by faith, the answer is there. I'll pray again. I'll pour the rest to you again in the morning. Our Father wakes up again. Her youngest daughter has a special condition. They say that she won't pass them. The war is so great and nothing has changed. Does God understand us at all? We're out of answers and we're feeling small. But as they read the Bible page after page, the comfort came in right along with grace. Her had her daughter and they knelt on the floor. Though we don't understand what it's for, we'll trust one day more. We'll pray again, we'll kneel again, we'll knock on the door, asking for more. Strength for the fight, peace in the night. Trusting by faith, the answer is there. We'll pray again. When the darkness surrounds you and God seems so silent, your back's against the wall. You may be tempted to doubt God's goodness. It feels like He won't hear your call. The questions they shape and cloud your mind. Is God in control after all? My doubts are balanced and I'm going to fall. But if you read the Bible page after page, you see that it's there and He'll not forsake. Surrender your life is all you must do. You begin to see God's point of view. He's there to change you. Go pray again, go kneel again, go knock on the door, asking for more. Strength for the fight, peace in the night. Trusting by faith, the answer is there. Go pray again. I'll pray again. We'll pray again.